Hello from Minneapolis. This is our Slalom Minneapolis team, or a representation thereof. We are here to accept the challenge from our Windy City colleagues in Chicago for the ALS and ice bucket and donation challenge. I'm also throwing in a personal challenge from my friend Mike Siegel, so I get a 2-for-1 on this one. We're here in the beautiful city of downtown Minneapolis at no other than Target Field, home of our Minnesota Twins, as well as the 2014 Major League Baseball All-Star Game. We saw it fitting for the ALS fundraiser. So with further ado, I will offer my challenge and our challenge out to our colleagues in the Mile High city of Denver, the sunny city of Phoenix, and all the way across the ocean to our newly opened office in London.
All right.
Sorry about that.
We're with this opportunity here. We need another bucket. Behind.
You can't get Brad. Yeah.
All right. I brought an extra towel.